How to apply for a new credit card through the MBNA mobile app. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to apply for a new credit card through the MBNA mobile app. So in order to apply for a new credit card through the MBNA mobile app, you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in mbna.co.uk/credit card. Here you'll be provided with a list of credit card that's available on MBNA. In order to apply for it, you could go through the information regarding the card, and then you could go ahead and tap on check your eligibility. When you press on it, it's going to take you to the other field where you could go ahead and apply for the credit card. If you're eligible for the following credit card, then you could go ahead and give your information such as your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, your gender, and all that. And that's basically how you can go ahead and apply for the credit card of MBNA mobile app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.